You know the feeling when you're on top and you're in control of everything, and then suddenly urgent tasks drop in. Before you know it, you feel a little bit unsettled and you're now trying to manage everything. And then along comes a text message. And then a really grainy image via WhatsApp. And by the way, all of these are from different people. Before you know it, you're scribbling down notes, assigning time and trying to fit everything in. That sounds okay, we can cope. But then along comes some more tasks. And that's when things get confusing. Who is that task for again? Where does the image go? I'm not even sure who sent that text message. Are they real? Is it a scam? When you're a freelancer and working on your own, you can save yourselves all of this hassle with a one-stop collaboration tool. Imagine everything sat in one place now, so you're not having to look over different notes and different text messages. All of your emails, tasks and priorities can be easily identified and actioned so that you never miss a beat again. Hold on, another task has just come in. It's alright, I'm fine.